No people were injured during the shoot. చిత్రీకరణ సమయంలో ఎవరికీ ఎటువంటి అపాయం కలగలేదు. Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing preparation of MSeal. In MSeal box you'll find two materials, one is black colored, other one is grey colored. Take equal portions from both the materials and combine them properly. If you want a proper bond, then mix them properly for 5 to 8 minutes. Distribute the mixture evenly on the surface and then keep a lamp over it because the heat from the lamp makes the bond stronger. That's all for this video. If you feel you learned something from this video, then share it. Thank you.